Most people think creating professional images requires expensive software. Photoshop, complex editing, years of experience. But right now, there are free websites generating thumbnails, AI art, social media graphics, and professional visuals directly in your browser. Some of these tools are so powerful they genuinely feel unfair. Today, I'm breaking down the best free image creation websites every creator should know. And trust me, a few of these will completely change how fast you create content. Let's start with the king of online design tools. Number 1. Canva, the internet's design powerhouse. Canva dominates for a reason. You can create YouTube thumbnails, presentations, logos, social media posts, posters, reels, graphics, all using drag-and-drop tools. No design experience needed. The template library alone saves creators hours. Quick tutorial. Open Canva. Choose a design type. Select a template. Edit text, images, and colors. Download your final design. Simple tools. Professional results. Number 2. Leonardo AI. AI art on another level. Leonardo AI is one of the most impressive free AI image generators online. Type a prompt, and it creates cinematic visuals, concept art, characters, environments, and hyper-detailed images in seconds. The image quality is shockingly good, especially for free users. Quick tutorial. Open Leonardo AI. Sign up or sign in with any of the following platforms. Enter or paste a text prompt. Choose image style/settings. Click Generate. Download your favorite result. This is creativity at AI speed. Leonardo AI has both free and paid plans. Number 3. Photopea, free Photoshop in your browser. Photopea feels illegal because it basically gives you Photoshop-like editing for free, directly in your browser. It supports PSD files, layers, advanced editing, smart objects, professional exports. No installation needed. Quick tutorial. Open Photopea. Upload image or PSD file. Edit using toolbar and layers. Export as PNG or JPG or more options. Save your project. A creator favorite for a reason. Number 4. Pixlr, fast AI editing without complexity. Pixlr combines speed with simplicity. You can edit images, remove backgrounds, use AI tools, add effects, create quick graphics. The interface is lightweight and beginner-friendly, perfect for fast content creation. Quick tutorial. Open Pixlr, upload your image, select editing tools or AI features, apply adjustments. Download final image. Fast workflow. Clean results. Number 5. Adobe Express, professional graphics made easy. Adobe Express brings Adobe-style quality into a beginner-friendly platform. You get templates, branding tools, animations, quick resizing, social media designs. Everything feels polished. Quick tutorial. Open Adobe Express and sign up for an account. Choose a template. Customize text and visuals. Resize or animate if needed. In this tutorial, I'm going to create image using AI. Let me type a prompt. Click Generate and download your design. Professional look without the learning curve. Number 6. Playground AI, unlimited creativity. Playground AI is built for experimentation. You can generate AI art, realistic images, fantasy scenes, creative concepts, and the customization is impressive. Perfect for creators who like testing ideas visually. Quick tutorial. Open Playground AI. Type a creative prompt. Generate multiple images. Refine or regenerate. Download your favorites. AI creativity keeps evolving fast. To create image, you'll need to sign up. Number 7. Snappa. Thumbnail creation without stress. Snappa focuses on speed, especially for YouTube thumbnails, ads, blog graphics, social media visuals, clean templates, minimal complexity, fast results. Quick tutorial. Open Snappa. Select design size. Choose template. Edit elements and text. Export your design. Very underrated tool. Number 8. Craiyon. Free AI images in seconds. Craiyon makes AI image generation accessible to everyone. Just type what you want, and the AI creates image variations instantly. It's simple, fun, and surprisingly useful for brainstorming visuals. Quick tutorial. Open Craiyon. Enter your image prompt. Click Draw. Wait for generation. Download the results. One of the easiest AI tools online. Number 9. Fotor. AI editing meets simplicity. Fotor combines photo enhancement, AI editing, filters, graphic creation into one beginner-friendly platform. Great for creators who want quick improvements without deep editing knowledge. Quick tutorial. Open Fotor. Upload image. Apply AI enhancements or filters. Adjust details. Download final image. Clean edits. Fast workflow. Number 10. Remove.bg, the background removal king. This tool does one thing extremely well. Remove image backgrounds instantly. Perfect for thumbnails, product photos, social media graphics, PNG creation. One upload. Background gone. Quick tutorial. Open Remove.bg. Upload image. Wait a few seconds. Download transparent PNG. Ridiculously useful. The internet is full of tools, but only a few actually save time and improve creativity. These websites remove friction from the creative process, and that matters, because the easier creation becomes, the more ideas you can bring to life. Bookmark these tools, use them wisely, and let technology work for you instead of slowing you down. Subscribe to NattyTechInsights for more powerful websites, smart tools, and digital shortcuts that actually matter. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.